You read it right. Google Translate can help you earn upwards of $800 every single day. So here's precisely how it works. First, you need to head over to the Google Translate website and translate an offer from one language to another. It's a simple process that anyone can do. Meanwhile, simply sign up for CPA Grip, which is basically a website that allows you to make money by promoting different offers. Once registered, you'll see a number of different offers. Just select one offer to promote and copy your affiliate link. Now, you'll need to translate the offer into a different language using Google Translate. And then, copy and paste your affiliate link into the translated text. It's time to promote the offer through various means, such as social media, a blog, or paid advertising. The goal is to get as many people as possible to click your link. Remember, as more people click on your link and complete the offer, you'll earn money. Don't forget to test different languages and promotion methods to see what generates the most traffic. Higher the traffic, higher will be your earnings. And also remember to stay up to date with new offers and campaigns on CPA Grip to find the most profitable opportunities. Try out these simple steps and get started on your journey to financial independence. Feel free to hit that bell icon on your way out.